Good morning, sir. I am Marjorie Awanan from Block G. I will express my short discussion about what I understand in this whole first semester in this subject, Life and Works in Carlos Bulusan. First, in prelim, I choose Module 3 entitled Alos and His Siblings' Education, highlighting the sacrifices made by impoverished family to achieve education. Bulusan vividly portrays Alo's determination to everyone, societal and economic barriers. The history of Filipinos immigrants showcases resilience, familial love, and the pursuit of a better future despite adversity. And in midterm, I choose the module 10, America is the Heart. About this module is I understand about the hardship and dreams of Filipino immigrants in America. The novel reveals them of racism, exploitation, and resilience, as Bulusan portrays the struggle of finding identity and dignity in the foreign land. It taught me the importance of solidarity, the fight for equality, and the enduring hope for justice and land of opportunity and conflict. And lastly, the final module, I choose Module 13, Freedom from Want. It's talk about, I understand about universal aspiration for dignity and security. From Bulusan captures the essence of American dream by emphasizing collective responsibility and unity in achieving social justice. The work underscores the struggle from marginalized communities, highlighting and need for equity and compassion. It inspired me to value the